Don't just stand there, let's get to it. Strike a pose, there's nothing to it.
Walk for me, 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 walk for me.
Strike a pose.
Walk for me, walk for me. I'll see you after the function.
Strike a pose.
You want a hot body? You want a Bugatti? You want a Maserati? You better work.
Been up all night, trying to get there rich. I've been work. Been called in twice, gotta get it how I live. I've been working on my shoe.
Don't stop now, just be the champion.
Zach, you brought the house down. Come over here, you superstar. Get your breath. Denise, are you dancing?
Zach, when you dance, I never want it to end. It's so good. The things you do with your body, your style of dancing, it's so fresh and it's so unique and it's just so clever. Honestly, I just think you're amazing. You're going to go on and have the most amazing dance career. The thing is, you couldn't be in a group because you'd show everybody else up. You have to be a solo dancer.
And Louis.
Zach, I can't believe there's somebody as good as you on a talent show in Ireland. I really can't. I never expected it. You're world class. I can see you dancing with Britney, Gaga, Vegas, everything. Just everything. You've got it all. And I love the whole production. I love the other dancers. I love whoever put the whole thing together. It was absolutely amazing.
Jason.
Zach, it is. It's just so exciting to watch. I mean, I love when you come out. I mean, you always do so many different moves. I think you just can't add any more, and you just do. And I'm delighted that we picked you as a wild card because you deserve to be in the final. Well done, Zach.
And finally, you, Michelle.
There might be people watching, Zach, that don't understand what it is that you're doing and what you're executing here. But I want all the people watching to know that this is more than just a dance that Zach is doing. Zach is representing a group of kids that maybe aren't heard and maybe aren't represented, that are weird, maybe a little left of center, following their dreams, just like me. And I relate to that, my children relate to that, and I love you for being you. This was remarkable.
And we love you for being you. Thank you, judges. Have you got your breath back? How do you feel being back on the stage?
Honestly, first of all, I just want to thank you guys for having me back. It's honestly been one of the best experiences of my life, but like, I just really left every ounce of energy of my heart on that stage, and I hope that people can pick up the phones and vote for me because I really gave my all.
Just bring us back then when you got the phone call saying that you were the second wild card. What was going through your mind?
I have to get it together for the finals. Yeah, no, honestly, I'm quite a perfectionist and I just want to top myself every time I perform. And hopefully today I did because I put a lot of work into it. So thank you guys.
Certainly did. Just my final question, because I know you're trying to get your breath back, but how long does it take to plan a dance like that?
This one, like a day and a half.
Have you slept since I last saw you?
No, when I got the call, I slept 2 hours that night. I stayed up all night in the studio, so.
Oh, well done, you. It was fantastic. Get those hips moving and enjoy. Gentlemen,
Thank you.
good luck.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello, and what's the name of your act?
We are Gabriel.
You don't sound very Irish. Where are you from?
I'm from Chile, but live in Barcelona.
Ah.
And I'm Spanish.
This is my first time here in Ireland.
Do you like it?
Yes. Yes.
It's been
very
nice.
nice. Very nice.
Just so I know, you're going to sing, are you going to dance, or what do you do?
Everything, honey. Everything.
Oh, bring it on, Gabriel.
This is suspicious.
I'm looking forward to this.
So what do you want to do, Louis?
I want to say yes.
Thank you very much.
Of course it's a yes. See.
Gracias.
Absolute yes. Thank you, James.
Thank you.
Well, you're through. I think you're really fun. It's 4 yeses!
Thank you.
Off we go. We'll start with them.
Hello, what's your name?
Tanya Chung,
And where are you from?
Lisburn, Northern Ireland.
It doesn't take much working out with what you're going to do and what your act is. Okay, we're ready for this?
Yeah.
In your own time.
Pole dancing's really hard. Have you ever tried it?
The strength was unbelievable. Just watching your body do what it does. Beautiful. Definitely yes from me.
Yes, Tanya.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, so you're through, but it'll be a 4th yes from me. I love it. Well done.
I can just give my best. That's all I can do, no matter what happens. It's amazing to even get an audition on this show.
I think some of the notes were not really there for you. How did you feel about that performance?
I felt nervous. I felt I could have done better though after all the preparation.
It's scary up there, isn't it?
It is scary. Right, let's see if you're going to go through. Louis.
Lee, I think you're very talented. I really do. I think you're just very, very nervous. I'm going to say yes.
Michelle?
Listen, I appreciate the work that you've put into it, but I don't quite think you're ready yet, Lee. Today it's a no from me. I'm sorry, sweetie.
Jason.
Lee, I just think you were nervous, and I reckon you can come back and you can do better again. So I'll say yes.
So to go through, you're going to need 3 yeses, so it's down to me. for me, as an audition piece, it just wasn't strong enough. So I'm really sorry, Lee, but it's a no.
Thank you for having me.
Sorry.
That's fine.
All right, Lee.
All right. Thank you.